I don't remember specifically the quote, but as you can see from the center, like he hangs up a lot of these quotes. My name is Amanda. I was from Raffles Institution. I graduated last year, so I'm the 2019 batch. I plan to do biomedical sciences in NUS. Mr. Tu as a person, he was really approachable. Like maybe other tutors, like okay, in Sec 4 at Chinese tuition, and like he was okay, but I wouldn't call him like as approachable as Mr. Tu as a person. Like I feel comfortable talking to him like a friend. And honestly, I'm very grateful to him for my econs grade. It's not only because of what he did in tuition, like academically, but also because of all his motivational quotes and messages, and honestly that helped me a lot because I didn't have a lot of time left to A-levels before I joined the tuition. It's very easy to contact him for questions after on WhatsApp, and also we use this app, and he opened a few message threads and broadcast threads on there also, so if you have any questions on any of the topics that he has, then we can just post them on there. Okay, I find that the live stream experience is actually very good for me, especially since I'm quite a lazy person, so I like to stay at home a lot. And especially because my class, I attended the Saturday class, so the whole day I would just be at home, and it's quite inconvenient for me to like travel out here for like one lesson the whole day. So it was very convenient for me, and also because sometimes I would even like eat lunch while he was talking, like between the times when we had to do written work. And towards A-levels, like for most of the lessons I was watching from home, it was very good. It helped me save a lot of time, like travel time. I could do quite a lot of revision in that 1 or 2 hours. And it's very, there weren't much technical problems as well, so it's very good for me. He was very contactable, like there was a message function, so I could always ask him a question, he will answer almost immediately. Oh yeah, I attended the Economics Essence workshop, which was really good. He went through a lot of questions, and I believe he managed to predict 5 essay questions, and it was very helpful, not only because of spotting the questions, but also the way he taught how to answer the question, which is it can be applicable to several questions just as long as they are the same question type, which is very helpful actually. And I also attended the study intensive essay workshop. He went through 40 essays, 20 from microeconomic and 20 macroeconomic questions, and it really helped to drill in how to answer these questions and how to approach them. Like when you first read the question, what do you do, how do you plan it out? And it really helped me push up my essay planning and writing, and also helped me gain a lot of confidence in A-levels.